Ironing a shirt is really not that hard. You're gonna start with putting some water into your iron and make sure there's steam, very important. You're gonna put your shirt on an ironing board, otherwise you may just use a table with a cloth on top. And that's where you have to take your first step, stretch your sleeve. Then open up your cuff and don't be afraid to press your iron on top of it. You'll do the same with a regular cuff, only you will turn it around first and simply just iron it. Make sure you don't go on the buttons as they're made of plastic. You don't need to open your cuff entirely like the French one. And here you just press on top of it again. You want to flatten your sleeve entirely, so it's easier for you while you iron and you avoid wrinkles. After you finished ironing both sleeves, you go to the collar. Now it's time to do the back of the shirt. Make sure it's properly spread on the table. Here comes the most important part of the shirt, the front. You want to make sure the inside part of the shoulder meets the corner of the table, and that goes for both sides. Last but not least, an important detail is to make sure you go between the buttons.